Hello, good morning. My name is Anna Rattenbury from Musical Babies, and today I'm going to show you how to make traditional fish and chips. Let's start. So in order to make fish and chips, you need fish. So this is cod fillet, so dorsz. Okay. Now you need some flour, and you need 55 grams of flour, but you need to take away a little bit into another bowl. Okay. So that's for the batter, and then you need to leave that. Some baking powder, just 1 teaspoon, and 55 grams of cornstarch, mąka ziemniacza. Okay, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and also sparkling water. So you just need 1/3 of a glass. And then to make chips, you need the potatoes and some oil. So the first thing that you need to do is to prepare the batter. So put flour in, the cornstarch, the baking powder, a pinch of salt, not much, a bit of pepper, mix it, and pour the sparkling water. Okay. That's the batter, and you need to put it in the fridge for about half an hour. So first of all, you need to peel the potatoes and put them in a saucepan. But be very careful because the peeler and the knife are very sharp. So now I've got my potatoes peeled, and I'm going to cut them into chips. Okay. So in Britain the chips are quite thick. I'm going to like this. Okay. So now we need to boil the potatoes. I'm going to pour some hot water, but be very careful. Ask your mommy and daddy to boil the potatoes for you, and boil them for about 5 minutes. So now you've got the batter from the fridge, and now you need to dry the fillets. So I'm just going to put them on here. They're actually quite dry. Nice. And you need to spray the flour. Coat them with flour. On both sides. And dip them in the batter. Coat them nicely, and then once each one is coated, then we're going to fry them. So I've got my potatoes here. They are boiling nicely. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to switch them off now, and also drain them, dry them, so they are nice and dry. Now, in order to make chips, I need a lot of oil, unfortunately, so you can make potato wedges, which are healthier, but I promised traditional fish and chips, so I'm going to make traditional fish and chips. So I'm going to heat the oil now. Okay, and now I'm going to do the fish. saucepan. Unfortunately, I need quite a lot of oil. Okay. Fish, just need to see if this is ready. Yep. Okay. This is sizzling, so I'm going to put my fish. Okay. 3 pieces at a time. So your mommy and daddy, of course, has to do this because it's very, very hot. So I'm going to turn it over again. So I've got my salad. Traditionally it will be peas, green peas. I've got some chips. And I've got ready fish. So, there you go. Traditional fish and chips. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching.